Well, I have some pretty big news. I'm gonna keep this pretty short, give you a little update with where I'm at and what I'm doing. And I also wanna say thank you to Sawstop. They gave me this free hat. And that's my dog, Apollo. Yeah, he's beautiful. He's getting used to a new house, so he's a little camera shy today. Yeah, that's right. To get this free hat, I had to buy this Sawstop. Is there an echo? Echo? There's definitely an echo in here. Yeah, so I bought a new Sawstop, really excited, and to sweeten the deal, they gave this really cool hat. Thanks, Sawstop. That is the 3 horsepower, 10-inch professional cabinet saw. I did get the sliding crosscut table. It's 36 inches. I got a nice fence, mobile base. Really excited about it. I hope it's the last table saw I ever buy. And now on to the bigger news, then we're gonna wrap this up, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. That is right, I got a big new shop. We'll call it 24 by 40. It's a little bit bigger than that, but who's counting inches? I've been a little inactive for the last couple months because I sold my house, I bought a house, I did sell a lot of my old equipment. I got rid of my 6-inch jointer, table saw, miter saw, dust collector, a lot of my old equipment. And the reason I did that is because I'm getting a lot of new equipment. I'm gonna upgrade a lot of my tools, starting with that table saw back there. Really excited. I just brought that home last night. I got an 8-inch Powermatic jointer with a helical head ordered. Hopefully it's here in the next couple weeks. I've got it all ready for the electrician. It has 220 already. They're actually, believe it or not, when I got it, there was a 2-post car lift right behind me. I'll stick a picture of that up. I love the idea of having a car lift, but if you think woodworking is expensive, wait till you start working on cars. So I got rid of the lift. This is gonna be my dedicated wood shop, metal shop, kind of my little man cave. It's a big man cave, but it is mine. I think I said it earlier, I've got it all ready for the electrician. He's coming out in 5 days. Has 220 already, but I'm adding more. I've got a 100 amp sub panel coming on the wall right behind the camera. And so I'm really excited about that. I'll get the walls put together. I'm gonna take it slow. I don't wanna rush and start putting up cabinets and all that until I know where I want things. One of the first things I am gonna do is put a miter saw station. Again, I just don't really know where yet. That wall, that wall, that wall. I don't know. So there's a lot to plan and think about. I'm gonna take it slow and do it right and just kind of build my dream shop. This is a double bay 2-car garage. So it's the size of about a 4-car garage. This little shop area is about 1,000 square feet. There's a 2-car garage right next to me, but that's gonna be off limits. I'm actually gonna put up a wall right there, put a door into it, and just totally separate my shop from the garage. So yeah, really excited about this. Got a lot of really cool projects coming, but obviously I've got to put a shop back together first. I'm gonna be ordering my dust collector probably either tonight or in the morning. I'm just waiting on a couple different things before that gets ordered, but new shop, so stick around, and we might do a pretty cool series putting these all the new equipment together, setup, layout, dust collection, all the cool things. Dream workshop coming soon. It's gonna be fun getting that put together. Is Apollo a good dog? Echo?